Use this drink to say goodbye to those wrinkles, to those fine lines, to any signs of aging. You have to take it in the morning. It works perfectly. So these are natural ways to look younger. You have to take care of yourself from within so that as you treat your skin, it's going to work better. So in case you're new here, you're welcome. I share health tips and beauty tips on this channel. Anti-aging, skin polishing, natural way to look younger and beautiful with no makeup. Consider subscribing for more tips like this. Also like and share this video. Please turn on the like button. I'll really appreciate it. So to make your skin look so beautiful, looking plump and looking supple and looking far younger than your age, you need to get some active ingredients that will help to boost collagen in your body, making it to look refreshed and minimizing those wrinkles and fine lines. One of the ingredients is aloe vera gel. So you need to get fresh aloe vera gel. I don't have a fresh one. I've used it to prepare this drink already. So this drink contains 3 ingredients that will take care of you from the inside, make your skin glow, make your skin hydrated, and if you have dry skin, no more dry skin, because from within your skin will stay hydrated and the results will give you a well polished and beautiful skin. So aloe vera gel helps greatly. Fresh one is packed with nutrients, antioxidants and active vitamins that will help to replenish nutrient loss from within, hydrating your skin, and the surface of your skin will look so polished. The antioxidant in it will help to fight signs of aging, like fight free radical damage that will make you age faster. You see, just get it and you thank me later. So the next one is honey. Honey is so natural. Like, try to get a natural one, like the one that is more organic. Honey also helps to keep the skin hydrated, which can eventually plump the skin, get your skin tighter. For those that have loose skin, saggy skin, it will help to firm it up, looking plump, preventing skin issues like stretch marks, all these skin conditions. Honey will as well help to make your skin glow. The result is amazing. So try to get honey. So the next ingredient you have to get, which is very important as well, is lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice. As you can see as well, you can use foreign lemon juice, local lemon juice. They're all the same. They are filled with citric acid, vitamin C, that will help to renew your skin from the within, boosting immunity, getting rid of some toxins from your system, clean your blood, and making sure your skin appear very clear on the surface. Also help to boost collagen in the body. You know what that means? You have a more plump skin. Your skin will stay hydrated, no skin issues at all. So if you want to minimize wrinkles and fine lines, get these 3 ingredients and use them rightly. So I'll be telling you the measurement shortly, how to mix them rightly for effective result. So this remedy is for everyone, okay? But if you have ulcer, you can decide to replace lemon juice with orange juice. So just get this, it will still work perfectly. So you have to get warm water, 1 full glass of warm water. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in it. You have to mix. Please make sure the water is warm. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel into the glass. You have to mix until it's uniform. Remember, the aloe vera gel may be hard to mix sometimes. That is why you have to get warm water. So you have to mix until the aloe vera gel mixes very well. Then you have to add 1 teaspoon of honey. Yes, just 1 teaspoon is enough. Then you mix until everything is uniform. Then you add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Just squeeze in half of it, fresh one please, into this glass. Then you have to mix until it's looking like this. Yours can be greenish because of the aloe vera gel, but I don't know why some people's aloe vera gel tends to be somehow greenish, but it's supposed to be clear, like transparent clear. So this is how the result is. So good, so inviting to drink, just like urine. It's not urine, please. So you need to take a glass early morning. This is so important for the health. Like, if you take a glass in the morning, the next day take a glass, the upper day take a glass for 3 days, and you see that this is going to clean your blood, get rid of sickness and diseases, and eventually on the surface your skin will glow, your skin will look younger. With consistency, once in a while, try it 3 days. Once in a month, do it for 3 days. Once in a month, do it for 3 days. You see your skin looking younger. coupled with some natural things I share, natural masks, facial scrub, anti-aging facial scrub that I share, using them rightly at the right time. Be consistent. You will see you looking younger than your age. Say goodbye to those wrinkles finally. Just 3 days. Use it early morning, every morning before you take your breakfast. After 30 minutes or 1 hour, you can take your breakfast. So you can decide to make more of this. Just double the ingredients, the quantity of all the ingredients. Then you have to increase the warm water. Then store in a flask, keep it warm so that the next day you can take a glass from it. Next day you can take a glass. You can decide to make a fresh one anytime. Alright, so that is it for now. Go through my videos. You will also see skincare tips, natural skincare tips that will better your skin. Thank me later. Check out this video. It will help you greatly. You will love it. Do not forget to like this video and also share it as well. I'll see you next time.